everybody, my name is Sophia. I work in personal care at Croda, and today I'll take you through my morning routine for a quick and easy natural makeup look. I like to start with a blank, clean canvas, so I'm using the Now Wash Me Whipped Facial Cleanser. The whipped texture is so luxurious and creamy, it feels amazing on my skin. The Croda Scenic LS30 and it helps effectively cleanse my face, but it's still gentle enough for my sensitive skin. All the while, botanicals like Nordic Cotton and Fruit Liquid Cloudberry have minerals and other substances that are known to provide soothing and antioxidant properties that help keep my skin looking nourished. After moisturizing and applying some skin tint to the rest of my face, I lock my makeup in place with this Ready Set Defense Setting Powder SPF 25. Solavel XCP1 and Solavel CTP1 provide blue light and broad spectrum UV protection. The inclusion of Optical OTP1 takes it one step further by protecting my skin from environmental pollution and free radicals. I love a product that can keep my look in place and protect me from the elements all day in one easy application or reapplication anywhere, anytime. To give my lips some love, I'm using the Petal, Plump, and Repair Lip Mask. The mask contains NG Shea Unsaponifiable, which is a potent moisturizing agent, and Crotamol ISIS, which boosts the skin's ability to hold water. Together, they work to keep my lips super hydrated all day or all night as a mask. And as an added bonus, the Maxi Lip in the mask helps give my lips a plumper look for that extra oomph. The formula also has this bouncy, cushiony texture so that it applies like a dream and feels amazing on my lips. No look is complete without a little glow. I get mine from this Golden Hour Glow highlighter stick. This waterless formula gets its solid but smooth texture from Synchro Wax BB4, making it super easy to bring with me and quickly swipe on when needed. The Moonshine Effect pigments give this gorgeous color and glow, while Supermol B moisturizes and nourishes my skin. And the Silky and Smooth Transformative Lotion Bar is perfect for taking care of the skin on the rest of my body. Hands are where you typically see the first signs of aging, so I definitely don't want to skip this step. It's super convenient to carry around because it comes in this amazing solid format, so when my skin feels dry, all I need to do is rub the bar between my hands for a really nice payoff. Besides being able to moisturize, the formula has DuraQuench IQ-SA, which reinforces the skin's barrier, while NG Shea Butter and Avocado HU25 provide soothing, protecting, and regenerating properties to leave a hydrated glow without being too greasy. So now, I'm ready for my day. Thanks for watching!